Good day everyone. This video I would like to share how to multiply mixed number. Okay, let's start. I have here two examples. Okay? Ang una dyan natong buhaton is change this mixed number into improper fraction. So, ang atong buhaton is multiply then plus. So 2 times 10 equals 20 plus 1 equals 21 over 2. Then times 5 times 4 plus 2 equals 22 over, copy the denominator 5. Okay, so ato makita diri no nga murag na ay makancel ani. So 21 di pwede sa 5 no. So arita sa 22 and 2. So divided by 2 equals 1. Then divided by 2 equals 11. Okay? So let's multiply first the numerators. 21 times 11 equals 231. Okay? 231. So kung ato nang i-times, mag-scratch lang ta, magamit ang scratch. So ang answer na is 231. Okay, na po ni siya shortcut technique sa basta multiplier niya is 11. So ako lang nang gitso no. Okay, so 1 times 5 equals 5. Okay? So kung ato siyang tan-awon, dako ang babaw. So what we are going to do with this is to change this one into mixed form. Okay? So ato na siyang i-divide. No? So 231 divided by 5. Okay? 23 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. Subtract 3, then 0, then bring down 1. 31 divided by 5 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. Okay. So, nanataan ni, muna na kita mag-og improper, ay, mixed form. Okay. So, this, the quotient will be the whole number. Then, the numerator is kaning ang remainder. So, 1 over ang divisor niya mo na siya denominator. So 46, ang answer is 46 and 1/5. So this is the final answer. Okay, so let's go to number 2. Okay, so times plus 4 times 2, 8 plus 1 equals 9. Then copy the denominator 2. Okay, times, okay, 3 times 10 equals 30 plus 2 equals 32 over, copy denominator 3. Okay, so kung ato siyang tanaw no, naa siya ay makancel. Pwede na to iparis ang 2 o 32, 9 and 3. Okay, so dirita divided by 2, 1, and divided by 2 equals 16. Ito sa ni-cancel ang 9 and 3. So, divided by 3, 1. Then, divided by 3, ang 9 is 3. So, gamay-gamay na lang, no? Kaya ito mang gigamitan o cancellation method. Okay. So, 3 times 16 equals, dirita mo suwat sa ubos. Okay. So, 18 carry 1. So, 48. So, 48 siya, no? 48 over, okay, 1 times 1. Pila man ang 1 times 1? Equals 1. Okay. So, 48 over 1 is equal to, or equal to 48. Okay? So, that's all.